Okay, I tried to do a Zoom recording for 3D Max. For my version is 2018. So I hope you're able to can use. I think I send a version as yours. Okay, my camera. Yeah, off my camera first. Okay. I hope you all can see on the screen. Okay, first, actually, my lesson is quite similar to last time. I think when you study Sentry, quite similar to Alvin's one. So this is the 3D Max 2018. If let's say you want to call back the welcome screen, you can go to customize. Sorry. The menu bar, the help. Okay. Welcome screen. You can call it, but because I don't connect network for this software, so you cannot see the welcome screen, but you can see from your own. Okay. First start, this is the menu bar. We will use customize tools and file. And this one, I don't know whether your rendering can use Lantern Ray, but their new version is only can use Arnold. There's no more Lantern Ray for the 2018 and above. So the built-in will be Arnold renderer, or you can get V-Ray from somewhere. Okay. Then after that, this is the main menu bar. This is undo, redo. This one is link for your image. This one is select. When select, you can type Q also. You can see this one will be changed to circle and type one more Q. It will be the friends selection, and one more is freehand, like so, or freehand. This is the pen selected, a selection, and this is the rectangle. So like this, I type Q for selection, and it will be like this selection, and one more will be like this. Okay, I type like that. Okay, and one more is like this. Okay, then the other one is because I don't have any object, so I can demo this one. So I key in one more time, so it will be good. Come back, or you press and hold, or here. Okay, this is the select. This is select by name. This is select object, and this is move. The move of the move shortcut is W. Just press W, and you can move your object. Later I will go on the demo, and this is the rotate. Rotate, the command is E, and scale, the scale command is R, and you can press and hold. There will be 3 different scale you can scale, but I'm not recommend to use this one, okay, or else you just want to have a very quick and non-editable skew, because once you skew it here, you cannot modify from here with the accurate numbers. This one is just for example, on the sofa you only want to skew up one small cushion, which is perspective. Sorry, not perspective. Is proportion skew. Okay, maybe you can skew for that. If let's say you don't want to have very accurate sizes. Okay, this is a select place. We seldom use this one. This one we're not using also. Let's see, what's this? This one you can choose the center point where it starts from. This one is the bottom. This one is center of two objects. This one is another. You can see this green color cross is depend on where you can select from. Okay, the point. Okay, for example, I think I show a quick demo first. Okay, for example, I use this move on snap. Sorry, no, snap. Okay, this one. I choose this one, you will see it become a center here. And I choose this one, it will be below Z. Okay, and I choose this one. Sorry. You become a corner somewhere in the corner. Okay. So default is this one. I skip this one. Okay, this one is snap. The shortcut is S. More time. No need snap. You want snap, you just key in one more time. And this one will be the angle snap. When you rotate, you right click. The angle now is 5. So when you rotate, it will be 5, 5, 5. But this one you need to use snap. Okay, 5, 10, 25, something like that. You see the digit here, you can see there will be some appearance on the, or you can right click. If let's say you just want to 45 degree, 90, or I can change to 45 and close, and it will be 45, 90, minus 45, 90, 180. Okay, or you can change to 90 degree also. Undo. Undo is Control Z. Okay. These three I didn't use for Max, and this one is mirror. This one is align. Align, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then this one, I will skip. Okay, this one is material editor. That means when you want, okay, you can lay any of the material for your object. Okay, this one will be the last two lesson, and this one is the render setup. Okay, all this behind is the mapping material and the render tools. Okay, so this one will be your viewport. Your viewport, there will be you will see every viewport there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 different selection. This one when you click, you can choose whatever you want, like view cube now is perspective. You can choose the view cube perspective here. Okay, or you want to show the view cube, or you don't want to show. You want to show here. This is the view cube. Okay. Well, let me see what else. Okay, this one actually, you want to show grips, you also can click this one G, the grips, G. Okay, G of the grip. One more, type one more G will be showing. Okay, just click. You can try. You can also alternate W to maximize the viewport. Alternate W and alternate W, go back. This one also can, alternate W, alternate W. We will set top, front, and left. Okay. Sometimes we need to do, for example, if let's say your floor plan, you want to place your material on top. So you can use front. We can see the, you can, after that you can see in the 3Ds. This one is a top, floor plan is here, the top. This one is the front elevation. This is the left, that means side elevation, okay? You can change the viewing from perspective, orthography, top, bottom, front, back, left, right, okay? And all this behind is the shortcut key. P will be perspective, orthography, top, bottom, front, and left, okay? And this one is showing whether you want to show the material, shaping, lighting, shadows, or standard or high quality. But when we draw, if let's say we put in a high quality or with the material map, you want to show the materials, it will be quite lag. So when we draw, we just use the standard. Okay. For all these three, you will see is in wireframe. You also can use this one as a default shading or present or bounding box, black color. Okay, let's just see this one. If let's say I choose the fake color, this one versus you only can feel the difference is in like hexagonal. It's very a lot of shapes on the object. Okay, there won't be so much different on the default shading. You can show. If let's say I use the flat color, you can't see the different faces of the cubes on the box. So normally we use the default shaping, or we use wire override. Okay, you want to show the wire override. The shortcut will be there's a shortcut. F3. Or if let's say your laptop F3 need to press FM, you just press FM then F3. If not, then you can just press F3, 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 F3. Okay, F3, 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 something like. You can just use the shortcut key F3 to change the wireframe, in between wireframe or default shading. Okay. And this is the another one is, okay, here you can change your viewport layout. 1, 3. Okay. First, this one is left, then I can press P to 4. I can move this one, the view cube here on the here. Then just use my mouse to roll over, or you can use alternate. Then your scroll button, the mouse scroll button, move up and down, left and right, something like this. Okay, you can roll over. Okay. So this is left. Okay. I can change back to 4 or 2. You can change to 2, but okay, now this is default is 4 viewport. And normally we will showing this 4 viewports. The only one is I alternate W to change one maximum. Then after that come back. I will see different elevation for my object. Okay. And next one will be control panel. This is our control panel. Every time we create a shapes, every time we create a geometry, this one, geometry, shapes, lights, camera, or helpers. This one is forces, standard, all which will change here. This one is create, this one is modify, hierarchy, motion, display, and utilities. Normally we'll create geometry and shapes here. Then after that, we will do the modify, after which we do shapes or geometry. Then after that, we'll skip on all this. Let me see what's this inside. Okay, then last one is you can change the color. This one, you can change this color from here to this color is just only for you to differentiate. Because if let's say you got a lot of objects here, then I will do. Okay. Yeah. I will do a lot of different color to differentiate different object. Then I can easily to see what is going on here. What is on my, for example, I can't find this one cone. I need to find, where is my cone? Okay, because this true color is very, if let's say I got a lot of cone, which is similar color, so if I will change the color to another one, okay, then I will know, okay, my cone is here, or here, okay. The next one will be, this one is a status line. And this one will be the coordinate display. Then this part is the viewport navigation. Oh, sorry. This one will be the viewport navigation controls. Okay. Because some of the tools is advanced, like animation, that we not really use for basic. So I will skip on the intro on. I will skip the intro for the parts. Okay. First, we will start to set the units. So I will go to customize, unit setup, system units setup, then system unit scale here. This one change to millimeters. Then click OK. Then OK. Okay. After that, I will set this. If let's say you want to draw 100, okay, for example, normally we will do a lot of 100 by 100. 100, for example, the wall is 100. Okay, the furniture maybe 300 by 400. If let's say we do a lot of 100 per unit, then I will set my, okay, I go to tools, grip and snaps. Okay, grip and snap settings. Okay, and the home grip, I will set this one as 100. If let's say you do a lot of 50s, then you can set your grip as a 50s. Then it will be easier for you to do per unit calculation or do the grid line snapping or snapping on the grid line, then you will easier to draw the object. Okay. Now I set the 100 first. Then you can see my grid line will become a bigger because this is the 100. Okay, I draw. I create a box, then I snaps. Okay, you right click. We just snap the grid points, vertex, and grid line. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, you will see my grid will be snapped on this. Click, hold. Okay, they will snap to another point. Release and move upward. Your mouse will need to move upward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. You will see your length is 100, width is 100, the height is 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be for you to easier to make the object with snaps and grip line settings. Grip settings. Okay, I click this one. I go to Q to click. Okay. Okay, when we left click, okay, select. You will change. You see, it will change already. You can select. Left click, select. Okay, if you draw the box, will be click, left click, drag, release, and move upward and left click. Okay. Then I scroll in and out is I'm using my mouse middle scroll button. Okay, we call it middle mouse button. If let's say you go to Autodesk 3D Max help forum, you will see MMB. The MMB is not a shortcut for you to type in. The MMB means middle mouse button. So next time I say MMB or or middle mouse button, that means is the mouse center scroll button. Okay. And this one is zoom in, zoom out. You scroll in and out. This one is middle mouse button, scroll in and out. Okay, we click the middle mouse button and hold it, is pan. Okay, you can pan it. Okay. Okay. I go to this one first. This one is zoom, so I can select. I can in and out. Same as you click the middle mouse button to zoom in and out. I click this one. You want to escape this one. You want to exit this command. You just type escape. Then you will escape. Yes. Okay. And this one is zoom all. Yeah. Okay, never mind. I skip this one. I also don't know why this one is not working. Okay, this one is zoom. I zoom this viewport. Okay, let's say I scroll until very, very, very tiny small. I just click this one. The viewport navigation controls. Okay, I just click this one. It will zoom all here, this viewport. Or I can use Z to zoom all. Okay, Z to zoom all. And this one, it will be all viewport. click this one, it will zoom all viewport. Okay. This one. I forget this one is what for. What is this for? But anyway, I think it's very seldom to use. Oh, this one is the camera. I think this one is for camera. Oh, okay. When you use this one, okay, there's two. Okay, press and hold. This one will be the window zoom. Okay, window zoom. And this one will be pan. You also can use your middle mouse button to click and hold to move left and right or up and down. Okay, this is an oblique sub object. For example, I click this one, you can rotating the view, or you can use the alternate. I escape. Use alternate middle mouse button to rotating the view. Okay, and this is maximize the viewport. Click this one, or use W, or you use alternate W shortcut, or you can use this one also. Okay. Okay. This one here is customize. We customize the backup internal minutes. You can go to customize preference. There will be one auto backup where. Preference, is it here? Customize preference. Ta-da. It should be here. Oh yeah, files. Auto backup the interval minutes here. It sets. I will set 30 minutes, or you can set 60 minutes. It depends on how fast you're doing your 3D models, 3Ds. Okay. Don't make it too short, because every time you do the 3D model, because not right now is simple. If let's say you do a lot of things, every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes, you will lag your computer. Okay, now I use the Q to select all and delete. Oh, P for perspective, G for grip line, P. Okay. Alternate middle mouse button. Okay. Scroll in and out. Okay. Now we first to draw a box. I go to this one, create geometry box, click, hold, drag and hold your left button key and release and move upward and click. Okay. After you're done, normally we will draw a box first, then change the size. Okay, I draw already. I go to modify and I use this one to change, for example, 400, 200, 500. Okay, you will see this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500 high. And this one will be 1, 2, 200 width. Okay, the length is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if let's say you want it to move to the 0, 0, start 0, 0. Okay, I will use this one. Yeah. This one. Because this one is the middle point, for example, that means this one is 400, right? So this one is 200 and 200. So if let's say you want to, this one, move to your 0, 0 point, I will use snaps. Okay. I will right click to use midpoint, click. This one. This, I will use this one, click and hold, left button, click and hold, and move to this midpoint. Okay. Then let me check this one. Okay, so you will see my X is 100. What if I change to 0? This one 0. Okay, you will see this one is not at the start 0 because it's back. This one they treat as a center. Okay, you see this one on the top elevation. This one center, front center, left center. This one center. I don't know whether this one can change right click. If let's say don't have any right click, you cannot do any change. Oh, let's see. Get the button, customize. Not come up. Well, very slow. It's not responding now. Not change. This one will be the whole object center. This one is a bottom center. Okay, this one will be center. Okay. Oh my. If let's say I want to go to 0, 0, so this one is left. X will be 100. Y will be 200. Right? So here will be the 0, 0. Okay. You see, this one is X axis 0, Y axis 0, Z axis 0. Although this coordinate is 100, 200 because it's by center. Isolated selection. Okay. Okay. You can draw sphere. Okay. You can draw a cone. Click, drag your mouse left button, mouse, hold it, drag and release, pull up, click and drag. Up, outside or inside. Up, down. Once you're ready, just click. Okay. This is the con. Because my object is selected, so it will select it. Okay. Okay. Okay, do a cylinder, left mouse button, click, hold it and drag, release, pull up. Okay, and you can try other shapes. And if let's say I don't want to move this one, I can use this lock to lock it. I try to use my mouse. Also can. Never mind. Ignore. Pen, zoom in, out. Okay. This one is just now I say this one utilities, you can change the color. Just click the color, I can change to green, then okay. Okay, if they say this one is going, oh, this one already say, if they say I'm going to underneath, you want to go back, okay, forget to mention. Okay, this is a violation, so this one will be your ground level or your floor level. Okay, this is your floor level or ground level. Okay, so if let's say your object accidentally or you import your object which is underneath, you can just Z to 0. Or this one, you need to, if let's say you want to put somewhere 1, 2, 3 here, you need to know where is it. But normally I will use grip. Click, click, and snap to, for example, I snap to here, then 0. And okay, this one is the middle point. I snap to somewhere here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you use your snap to snap on. Can you snap to snap? Okay. You see everything is side by side. Okay. And that. Now I will use snap. You can right click to change whatever you want to snap, like middle point, end point, perpendicular. And these grid points and grid lines always snap on and vertex. The rest you can select whatever you want to, whatever you want to snap on. But same as, I think same as AutoCAD, mostly we use midpoint, endpoint, perpendicular. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we try to do one. I will try to do one demo, which is last time Alvin do as the same exactly, because I want to try to find some other, but I can't find that which is similar that you can use as a basic concept. Okay, I will start to draw at the front elevation. I draw this one first. Okay, assume this one is 400, then go in 400, then go up 400. This one will be 800. Then this one is 500. Sorry, 1,500. And this one, the thickness is 100. Okay, the bench seat will be 300. So let's start side G. Okay, no grip, never mind. I'll start in. So I just alternate W to maximize my zoom, maximize my viewport. So I using create, but this now I using shapes. I using shapes to draw the line because there's no default geometry. So I use the shape to draw everything here. Then after that, we'll do the further steps. Okay. First one, create this one. Then after that, I click here. I use the line. I'll start to draw. I can't see my grip. Okay, my grip come. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I find one proper snap first. Click. Okay. This one is 400, 400, 400, 800, and 400, 400, 400. Okay. And the thickness is 100. So I start 1, 2, 3, 400, 400. Okay. If let's say you're doing the wrong one, you just backspace. Okay. Oh, this is why. Where I off the middle point first. So I left the grip points, grip line, and vertex. Click. So I restart. Delete. You see why? No, why this one is around? Because here change. Click, 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 click. The Q, then we will change to whatever, as long as you can select. Okay. Delete. I start again, create, line, anywhere. Okay, I start from 0, click, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4, 4, 4, then 100. Click. We'll ask you whether you want to close, then yes. Okay. Once we're done, alternate W, zoom. Okay. My things will be here. Select. Okay, next steps, I will do a thickness for this object. Okay, so I just click select. I go to modify list. Then you type E because there's a lot of function here. So I just type E to extrude. You'll find it more faster. So this one is extrude. I click extrude. So now it's 0 amount. Then because I know the thickness is 100, so I just type 100. Okay. Then you will see this one. Alternate middle mouse button. I rotate the view. Okay. After finish, we continue to draw this, and this. Okay. So I'll go back. Now I draw this one. I can use box. I go to geometry, box. I just draw any size of the box roughly like that. Okay. So I go select. Okay. I go to modify to change the size. The length is 1500. Because I minus away this one 100 and the back 100, so this one will be 130, and the width will be 300, then the height will be 100. Okay. Now I click this one. I go to move, move, and S for snap. So you will see this one is already changed to the yellow button, a yellow cross, sorry. I just click and move here. You will see another green and release. Okay, then you will see this bench is snapped to here. And after that, I haven't demoed the move rotate. Okay, never mind. After that, I go to move. I need copy one more this, so I press shift because I want to move from here to here. So I will use this X, the red color arrow. I press shift, hold the shift key, and left button, click, left mouse button, click, and drag to another side. Or you want to here also can. Okay, you will see the yellow color, which means it's not correct. Okay. Never mind. I just click and release all. It will ask you to clone option, either copy, instance, reference. Okay, I select copy and click OK. Later I will tell you what is the difference. Okay, same. My mouse shift to here will turn to the yellow cross and click. I click and hold and move to here will turns to green. I mean it snaps to this corner, so release. Okay. So I copy one more first. I will let you know what's different between. Shift, click the red color one, then move up. Copy one first. Okay. For the mover, sorry, I forget to introduce the move. What is different? Okay, move. You can move. Okay, switch off this one first. You click this one will be forward, backward. Click Y will be like that, in further and closer, up and down. Okay, don't you will see here there's a center point which is yellow box. Don't click this one, because when you click this one, it will off the track that you want to move, or you want to move anywhere, for example, like that also can. But if let's say you want to move to the correct track, like you just want to move forward or backward, you just use the correct arrow, and then you will move to the track. Okay. For the rotate, the same. If let's say you want to rotate this one, you just click like that. Okay. If let's say you move at the, you will see this one rotate, like you will see the spheres turn to like the gray. When you rotate, it will rotate somewhere that you don't know the degree, and even worse, there will be XYZ different degree, so you don't know where it was. So normally we will use this one to rotate, and this one to rotate. Okay, if let's say you want to very precise to rotate this one, okay, you use this script, angle snap script, and angle snap. Okay, previously we set, okay, this one is 5, maybe I go 15, enter, close. So when you click the one, the rotate will be 15, 30, 45, 75, 90. Is more accurate rotating. It depends what angle you mostly use, so you just set it. If let's say you want 5, 10, 15, 45, 90, it's up to you. Okay. 1, 2, okay. For the skills also, click this. For example, you want to skew more thicker, you use this one. Wider, use this one. Longer, use this one. But you will see, once I change this one now, this parameter, it won't change. So you wouldn't know you change to what size already for this one. So we better don't use these skills to scale up, or you just want to scale a little bit, like sofa, as cushion, bed sheet, all these non-countable for your decoration object. Okay, if let's say for the furniture, for the wall, cabinet, all this, we better change on this modify. Okay, I undo this. Okay, now I press W to move, then shift, I copy one and release. Okay, this one I use copy, then I use one more, click, release. This one I use instance. I use instance, for example, 3. Okay, will come up 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I copy one more. Yeah, shift, move. I use reference, for example, 3. Okay. Let us see what's the 2 can already. Let us see what's different on that. Okay. For example, this is a copy. So I want to change the width to 500. Sorry. Okay. This is a copy set. I copy one more here. Yeah. Shift, move. I use this one, copy. Okay. So this is the copy. I use alternate W to maximize the zoom, alternate middle mouse button to rotating it. I will let you see clearly. Okay, this one I changed the length to 500. Okay, you will see all this is still the same size. Okay, this one is the in 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the instance copy clone, instance cloner. Okay, this one, for example, I change this one. I change in the middle of this. I change to 800. So you will see all this will be 800. Okay, even the reference. Okay, what if this one, you will see this one is highlight the whole thick, very thick highlighted in blue. And when I click the reference copy, you will see the blue highlighted is thin. So when I change this one, okay, when I change this one to 150, okay, okay. Okay. I cannot use parameter to change, so I use this one to change. It won't change together. I go back. I want to change this length. The length is here. Okay. I just change one only, and this one, you will see this one is thinner. Can I shorten this one? Okay, once I go back this one, okay, go back this one. I change this one to 300. You will look at what will happen to all these strips. I enter. So it will change to 300 each for 1, 2, 3. But these two will be ratio proportionally to change whatever, how to say, because this one I already changed the size, change in size, this one also, so it will proportionally to change together, but it's different sizes because these two are individually to change the size. These two is using the shift drag. This one I use the reference. The rest change together is instance. The main reference you can change individually. The instance will be changed together, and this one is just a normal copy. No changes for both original or clone object. Okay, so I delete this one. Okay, after that, I clone it one more. Shift, drag, copy. Okay, so this one will be width is 800. Then I press S, W move. Oh. Alternate with the mouse button. Click, drag. You also can, if let's say you cannot see, you can hold it and use the middle mouse button to scroll down. You can zoom out and click. Okay, so it will alternate with the mouse button. You can check this one. Okay, same. This one. I shift. Now I'm using this green color arrow because I want to move from here to here, and copy also, same, shift from here to here. Okay, then copy. Okay, then snap, still on, click and drag, release. Okay, now you will see this one like that. Okay, how you measure? If let's say you don't know what is the size here? You can go to Tools, Measure Distance, click here and click here, these 2 points, then you will see this one, distance is 600. Okay, again, click Measure Distance, click here and click here. So this one will be 800. Okay. I can double check, okay, whether this one is 1,500. Okay. Click, click. One, sorry, again, Tools. Click. You can drag longer. This one 1,500. Okay. Alternate W and go back to front elevation. I will draw this one. Okay, this one same. I need to use the lines to draw. G to on the grid line. Okay. I assume this one 400 same, 400, 500, and go back to the same point. Okay. Again, create shape line. Okay, click 4, 4, 5, 10. Sorry, 100. If I wrongly, I click wrongly. I can click backspace and click and enter. Okay, sorry, still got one more. The 2. Okay, then escape. Okay, done. Okay. If I think this is very big, I select this object and go to modify. Okay, I go to modify. I select first. I go to modify. Under the selection, there's a vertex. I click. I can click just only these 3 points and move. It should be I click the move, sorry. I didn't click the move. Escape first. Yeah. I select this. I select these 3 points. I use move. Okay. I move inwards to close. Yeah, go back. I can see the below XYZ coordination. Now it's 41.77. I just wrote. Shift to 40 here. Okay, you'll see the below this one. Okay, again. You can see the digit is running 40. Okay, somewhere like here, somewhere here. Next time I will check whether it can move, like, for example, you want to move in 40 or move in 330. I will check whether 3D Max can do this like this or not. Right now, I still don't know. Okay. After that, because this one got curve, so we will do do one. Okay, and go to modify list. I untick this one first, okay, or else I cannot do any other things. I go to modify list. I will type F. Oh, sorry. I go to selection, the text, still click on, and go scroll all the way down. You can see this fillet. Click the fillet. This one, beware if you cannot, if you type wrongly, you just do, yeah, again. Okay, go back first. This one, you need to be careful because when you do wrongly, you cannot change. So, vertex. Yeah. What's previously this one? It seems select. Okay. Sorry. Go back to click this line, vertex. E. Right. Maybe I cannot do vertex first. See, just keep unlocking this one. When I go back to vertex, I still cannot select. Why? Okay, go back first. I undo first. How many undos that I can use? Custom. Oh no, sorry. Okay. Close. Customize. Reference. Undo 20. So. Oh my God. Oh, I delete this one. I do it again. Create line 4, 4, 5. If you know how to do that, just let me know. Escape. Okay. because I don't know why like that. Okay, I click this one. I go to modify vertex. Okay, and scroll down all the way to fillet. This one cannot be changed also. So once you do the fillet, it cannot be changed. So I assume this fillet round corner will be 30. Enter. Sorry, I haven't selected this one. 30. Mm. 30. Oh, not again. What's happening? 30. I can scroll in and out. But why? Oh, it's because of snapping. 30. No. Somebody help me. Who can tell me what is going on? My vertex. I'll try another point. 30. Oh, this one can. But why this one cannot? Okay, can already. I also don't know why. 30. 30. Later then we will move inside to make it thinner. 30. Eh? Yeah. Undo. Okay. Is it because of I highlight this one? 30. No, okay. Because here is very quite thin, so I just highlight, move. I move further inside. Okay, something like this. Okay, done. Alternate W. After that, you need to unclick this one to exit the command. Then I will use this one. So I click this viewport alternate W. Select alternate middle mouse button. I oblique the view. Okay, now I will make extrude the chair to 500. Okay, so I go to modify again, modify this E, extrude. Now it's 100 because it will use my previous settings. So I change to 500. So my chair will be 500 width. Okay, after that, but this chair is still very thin. Okay, so I will make a thickness for my chair. So I will select again, modify, shell. Okay, SHELL. You cannot find here. Maybe it's a very below the comma. So I keep on pressing the S to find the shell. S again. Okay, there will be shell under the selected channel. This one, shell. And click the shell. Now you can see the outer amount is 1, sorry. Outer is from here to here. But this one, the height is the same. So I will use outer rather than inner. So outer, I press 1.5. So it will be the same level, but with thickness. Okay, so I just click outside. You will see First one, there's the thickness for my chair. Okay. Oh, because you must be careful on this part, because maybe just now I moved inside. There was some vertex who don't know corrupt or what. So when you have like this, you will exactly render with this. So I want to try. If let's say you want to draw so thin, before that you need to draw a proper one. Once you move, maybe it will happen like just now we draw. So I just I don't want to move inside, so I repeat the steps after the rest. So this one is I just remember what it is. Okay. So again, modify list E for extrude 500. Okay. Then after that again, shell again, S shell. So I after 1515. Okay. So you will become like this. I will check whether is it the same. Yeah, it's the same level. Okay. If I'm not using, I undo. If my shell, or you can, I just select this object. Yeah, I select this object. If let's say I want to change this extrude, I just go to under the modify list. I select this one. Under the modify list extrude, I can change to 450. Okay. And if let's say your shell, you want change, you also can change, for example, 50. Or you can change inner, like here will be 7.5, then outer will be 7.5, something like that. But you will see this one is not, you will not align to the same floor level. So I'll change back this one. Okay. You will see the difference. This one like that. Luckily, this one can change a date after that. So, but still need to be careful of for this logical things. This one 015. Okay, done. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.